With the handy Testo 270, you can determine the quality of frying oil quickly and reliably, directly on site and without any consumable materials. In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate and adjust the Testo 270. Both are necessary at regular intervals to obtain accurate measurement results. First, let's clarify the terms. Calibration is the process of determining how accurately a measuring instrument measures by comparing it to a reference. No changes are made to the measuring instrument itself. Adjustment is different. In this process, the measuring instrument is technically modified so that the results are accurate again. For the calibration and adjustment of the Testo 270, you need the following. The Testo 270. The Testo reference oil, a heat-resistant container, and hot water. Let's start with the calibration. To do this, first heat the reference oil to 50 degrees Celsius and select calibration in the menu of the Testo 270. To do this, hold down the hold key while the instrument is switched off and briefly press the on key at the same time. Your Testo 270 may be protected by a pin. X works. These are the last two digits of the serial number. You'll find these on the rear of the measuring instrument. Now select the calibration menu item with hold, and set the display to yes with the arrow key. You will now see oil in the display. This means that the calibration process is started. Now place the sensor of the measuring instrument in the heated reference oil. The oil shown in the display lights up yellow, and the measurement is started with hold. The display lights up red and the measured TPM value and temperature are displayed. As soon as the measured values stabilize, the display lights up green and the operating keys are released. Now compare the TPM value shown on the display with the target value on the label of the reference oil bottle. If a deviation of up to 1% is found, no adjustment is required. You can exit the menu again with hold and the calibration is completed. If the deviation is greater, you should adjust your Testo 270. You can easily do this yourself. Set the TPM value to the value of the reference oil using the arrow keys and save the adjustment with hold. You can exit the settings menu by pressing the hold key several times.